Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install Play Store in laptop or PC. So first of all, what you have to do is download the Android emulator applications. The best application to download would be BlueStacks. In order to download it, what you have to do is simply launch upon any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in bluestacks.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of BlueStacks. In this website, you'll be able to find the option for download. All you have to do is click on it. After that, follow through the prompts and install the BlueStacks application. Here I've already installed it. Once the BlueStacks has been installed, what you have to do is simply launch open it. You can see over here BlueStacks has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is simply search for Play Store. Click on the search bar and type in Play Store. Now press enter. Now you can see over here Play Store will be opened. Simply click on the option sign in. Now sign in to your account, enter your email or phone. Now click on the next option. Now enter the password. Now click on the option next. Now you can see over here Play Store will be opened and you'll be able to use the Google Play Store in your laptop or PC. So that is how you download and install Google Play Store in Windows PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.